Good afternoon, one and all. I am Dr. Radhika Deshmukh, Assistant Professor in Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola. Today, in this international e-conference on innovative research trends in life sciences, I am going to present here a research article on astrobiology and planetary science. All of you know astrobiology means the search of life, a scientific field that is formally known as exobiology, which is concerned with the origins, early evolution, distribution, and feature of life in universe. In the present paper, we astrobiology consider a question of whether extraterrestrial life exists, and if so, then how human can detect it. Astrobiology make use of molecular biology, biophysics, astronomy, biochemistry, physical cosmology and investigate the possibility of life in universe. The origin and early evaluation of life is an inseparable part of discipline of astrobiology. So regarding to the origin of life, firstly, see here the abstract. Astrobiology is the science that deals with the study of life in our universe. Astrobiology is more than just a collection of different disciplines. In the present paper, we try to focus on the conditions that are necessary for life to emerge and flourish, the origin of life, the ways that life has evolved and adapted to the wide range of environmental conditions here on Earth. The search for life beyond the Earth, the habitability of extraterrestrial environments, and consideration of the future of life here on the Earth and elsewhere. In the introductory part, the philosophers and scientists wander about the rise of life on our planet and reflect the profound resonance of question of our origin of universe. Now astronomers push back the understanding of origin of our universe with the Big Bang theory. Before 50 years, humans began to extend their presence into this space with Robert, and as the expansion of our species into the world goes on, but the question about existence of species remains unanswered. Now, NASA designed the Exobiology project to detect the microbial life in extraterrestrial environment, which laid the groundwork for broader approach to study the life in the universe. Regarding to origin of life in universe, before 13.8 billion years ago, when the universe was only 10 to 17 million years old, a Big Bang theory was introduced. According to Panspermia hypothesis, microscopic life distributed by meteoroids, asteroids, and other small solar system bodies which may exist throughout the universe. Very large galaxies may be more favorable to creation and development of habitable planets. Estimates of habitable zones around the stars refers as Goldilocks zones along with the discovery of hundreds of solar planets suggest that there may be many more habitable places in the universe than the possible until they recently. The current studies on the planet Mars and other planets, that is by curiosity and opportunity, are searching for evidence of ancient life. The interdisciplinary nature of astrobiology and cosmic and evolutionary perspective engaged by it result in the range of benefits. It is observed that there may be life beyond the earth. There may be life on solar system, and therefore here this is a we have to see how the lifespan for the species on the Mars. Discussion on where in solar system light might occur was limited. Historically, by understanding that life relies ultimately on light and warmth from sun and therefore is restricted to the surfaces of planets. But the four most likely candidates for life in the solar system are planet Mars, and then moon Eros, and then the latest one, that is nothing but the Saturn moon Titan. Mars Enceladus and Europa are likely candidates in the search for life because they may have underground liquid water or molecule essential for life. As we know, it's a solvent in cells. The recent research suggests that liquid water may exist on the surface of Mars. Just in 2013, NASA reported that the detection of clay materials with organic materials on the icy crust of Mars and Europa. On June 27, 2018, astronomers reported the detection of complex micromolecular organics on the Enceladus. Measuring the ratio of hydrogen and methane levels on the Mars may help to determine the life on the Mars. Therefore, hydrogen and methane ratios indicate that life is present and it will be active. Other scientists have recently reported methods of detecting hydrogen and methane in extraterrestrial atmosphere. Therefore, there may be life on the Mars. That is clear. The surface of Mars today doesn't seem like the sort of place that is to the life. It is dry and cold and icy surface. Therefore, it is observed that is the thin atmosphere cannot block UV radiation from the space which would devastate any known living thing on the surface of planet. But Mars' early atmosphere was rich enough in heat and trapping CO2 to create greenhouse effect. Therefore, if the Mars has been warm, life might have enough to emerge. It's possible that life could have survived on the Mars below the surface with some microbes. Therefore, in the present paper, we focus on the origin of life, we focus on the life beyond the earth. And therefore, in concludatory part, the search for extraterrestrial life is a major program for space exploration. It requires the resources of multiple scientific and other disciplines. This article contains the recommendation for the next programmatic steps in astrobiology. Theories, technologies, and discoveries have opened a promising window and opportunity for interdisciplinary research activities. The study of origin and limits of life on the earth are informing the search strategy for life elsewhere and solar system and beyond. We will be very about the optimistic about discovering life beyond the earth. Astrobiology science community should maintain a rational and patient approach. We may find clues for the future potential extraterrestrial life, but clues are not a proof, and therefore there are some we can suggest that the scientists have still not managed to reach the consciousness about the definitions of life, but the discovery of extraterrestrial life may be it is a difficult but it is going on. The road ahead of us is hard and long, but without doubt, it leads to the ultimate knowledge for the nature of life. The artificial building or synthesis of living things is very remote but not unattainable goal along the road, and the same can say about the search for extraterrestrial life. The references for this article are here. Thank you.